Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Precious Peters. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I use onions juice for massive hair growth. If you've been struggling with hair fall, dandruff, alopecia, please stick around because I'll be showing you guys how to prepare onions juice for hair growth and also how to apply it on your hair. So guys, if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, turn on your post notifications to know each time I post a new video. Thank you. So guys, before chopping your onions, you have to make sure you wash your onions very well so as to avoid bacteria from getting into the scalp. So guys, you need to chop your onions into tiny pieces for easy blending. Please guys, while chopping your onions, you need to be very careful so you won't hurt yourself. The next step is to blend your chopped onion. Please add a little water for it to be very effective. Guys, please, if you've watched up to this point, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. So guys, once we are done blending, we'll go ahead to sieve our onion juice. And once we are done sieving it, we put the liquid into a spray bottle for easy application. So guys, let's talk about the benefits of onion juice. So onion's sulfur content enhances blood circulation to the scalp. It nourishes the hair follicles and may help with dandruff and scalp infections. Onion juice also provides antioxidants that protect hair follicles from getting damaged and may also improve hair texture and shine. So guys, if you've watched up to this point, please stay tuned because I'll be showing you guys how I use onion juice on my hair for massive hair growth. You wouldn't want to miss that, do you? So guys, before I apply the treatment to my hair, I love adding my hair growth oil, but it's optional though. So while you watch me apply the treatment to my hair, I would like to educate you guys on the 7 benefits of onion juice. 1. It stimulates hair growth. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which is a key component of hair and is known to improve blood circulation to the scalp, which promotes healthy hair growth. 2. It reduces hair loss. The sulfur content in onion juice strengthens the hair follicles, reducing breakage and preventing unnecessary hair loss. 3. It controls dandruff and scalp infections. Onion juice has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help combat dandruff and other scalp infections. So if you're suffering with dandruff, this is the one for you. 4. It strengthens the hair follicles. Onion juice nourishes the hair follicles, making them stronger and more resilient. 5. It improves hair texture and shine. The sulfur in onion juice can improve hair texture, making it smoother and shinier. Guys, just take a look at that length. 6. It nourishes and moisturizes. Onion juice provides essential nutrients and moisture to hair and scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. 7. It may reverse graying. Onion juice contains antioxidants that may help delay the aging process and potentially reverse graying. Please guys, once we are done applying the treatment to our hair, please cover your hair with a plastic bag, a shower cap, or a heat cap, any one you have. This will help the treatment penetrate into our hair follicles faster for faster hair growth. Guys, these are some of the precautions you need to take before considering onion juice. 1 is skin sensitivity. Please perform a patch test to check for any allergic reactions before applying the juice to your entire scalp, please. Another one is the smell. Onion juice has a very strong odor, so it's recommended to add scent before application or wash your hair with shampoo after use. The next one is dilution. Please, like I said before, if you have a sensitive skin, you may want to dilute the onion juice with water or any other carrier oil. You can make use of olive oil, coconut oil, and so on. Please guys, leave this treatment on your hair for about 30 minutes before washing it off. Guys, if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. Please like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you. I love you all. Bye.